Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title: Distributed Secret Sharing Approach with a Cheater Prevention based on QR code. Our project abstract: QR barcodes are used extensively due to their beneficial properties, including small tags, large data capacity, reliability, and high speed scanning. However, the private data of the QR code lacks adequate secret protection. In this article, we design a secret QR sharing approach to protect the private QR data with a secure and reliable distributed system. The proposed approach differs from related QR code schemes, in which it uses the QR characteristics to achieve secret sharing and can resist the print and scan operation. The secret can be split and convey with the QR tags in the distribution application, and the system can retrieve the lossless secret when authorized participant cooperate. General browser can read the original data from the marked QR tag via a barcode reader, and this helps reduce the security risk of the secret. Based on our experiment, the new approach is feasible and provides content readability, cheater detected, and adjustable secret payload of the QR barcode. QR barcode are used to extensively due to the beneficial properties, including small tags and large tags, reliabilities, and high-speed scanning. The private data of the QR barcode lacks adequate security protections. In this process, we design a secret QR sharing approach to protect the private QR data with a secure and reliable distributed systems. The proposed approach differs from related QR code schemes, in which it uses the QR characteristics to achieve secret sharing and can resist the print and scan operation. The secret can be split and convey with the QR tags in the distributor application. The system can retrieve the lossless secret when authorized participant cooperate. It can read the original data from the marked QR tags via a barcode reader, and this helps to reduce the security risk of the secret. The new approach is feasible and provides content reliability, cheaters detectability, and an adjustable secret payloads of the QR barcode. Our data flow diagram. This data flow diagram refers to the users. These users that can be connected with the wireless or on a wired process. We are using a mobile device, so the wireless process can be used. In the wireless process, the server can be connected with a certain Wi-Fi or Bluetooth communications. Using the Bluetooth communication, we can connect with the certain two users to transmit a certain files. But in a wireless, using a Wi-Fi, we can create a certain hotspot to connect with multiple users. Using the multiple users, the data transmissions can be a certain easy to transmit a file from one user to another user. But in the QR process, we are using a certain QR code generation to transmit data with the security and also reduce the lossless of data by intruders. The data selection in this process, the data selection can be selected using the certain file to transmit to the certain another destination users. After that, the splitting of the data can be processed. In the splitting of the data, the QR tags can be used in data. The QR tags can be used to store the data or splitting of data. The data can be split related to the QR tags. The certain in a single block of QR tags can contain up to 1 MB files of data. For example, if I content of 1 MB file, it can be stored in a certain QR blocks. Related to the QR blocks, the data can be encoded and decoded in it. The data analysis process, the data can be analyzed related to the size of the files and the QR tags in it. The certain pixels can be created related to the QR tags. The code can be generated. The QR code can be used to transmit from one user to another user. It makes the easy of data transmission by using a certain KB size. For example, if the QR code can be generated of more than 1 KB to up to 50 KB with a certain data, and the data can be compressed and be stored using the QR tags. and the data can be transmitted in it, and the results can be provided that the data can be processed in it. For project demo, let's start our demo for the project. In this process we can use the Eclipse to run the process. Related to the QR code file, we can use the selector file. This first, this is our home page. Right click on the project and click on run configuration and set the configuration to a certain emulator. For example, if I start emulator 5546, the emulator should be started and the process should be run on it. This is our home page. After clicking the enter, click on it, should be your registration and the user login. The registration process, we can register the certain process by I'm using the certain ID to make a registration, and the certain details should be given to make a secured login. After that, I click on user login. I'm giving the ID should be auto generated. The ID should be noted in it during the registration. The same ID should be provided and the password should be provided to make a certain login. So after that, the upload and the review file can be shown. The upload or view file, the file can be uploaded file can be viewed. We can make a certain upload process to select the file, or we can use certain stored files in it. I'm using the text file to write my data in it. In this process, we can also create a file in it by typing a message or some other data by choosing in it, and the file can be selected in it. Here the file can be selected. I'm choosing the text file. It can be contain the certain control access and the processed in it. And here the validation shows that if the SD card is available in it. In this process, we can verify the storage devices are available or it can be in idle. After that, the data can be splitted and the data can be analyzed related to the QR tags, and the QR can be generated. The QR can be generated with a certain time limits to make the certain analysis, and the tags can be generated by using the certain details in it, and the QR can be viewed using the QR code scanner. This is the scanner used to view the details in it. Before viewing the details, the certain verification can be done by using the certain code. If the code is matched, the data can be viewed by using the QR scanner in it. Demo completed. Thanks for listening.